Imagine earning in US dollars. Working from your home. Collaborating with American companies. Without ever leaving your country. Sounds powerful, right? Well, in 2026 this is no longer a dream, it's a real opportunity for global professionals. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to work remotely for US companies step by step, even if you're starting from zero. We'll cover the best remote jobs in demand, where to find real US companies hiring globally, how to create a US-style resume, how payments work internationally, legal and tax basics, and how beginners can get started. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share a simple action roadmap you can follow starting today. Let's get started. Why US companies hire international remote workers? First, let's understand something important. Why would a US company hire someone from another country? There are 5 major reasons. Number 1, access to global talent. Companies are no longer limited to hiring only locally. Number 2, cost efficiency. Hiring remotely often reduces overhead costs like office space and benefits. Number 3, 24/7 operations. Different time zones mean businesses can operate around the clock. Number 4, specialized skills. Many countries produce world-class developers, designers, marketers, and analysts. Number 5, scalability. Remote hiring allows companies to grow faster. And because of this shift, global professionals now have access to opportunities that simply didn't exist 10 years ago. Best remote jobs US companies offer. Now let's talk about the types of jobs available. Tech jobs, highest paying. Software developer. Web developer. Data analyst. DevOps engineer. AI/machine learning specialist. Cybersecurity expert. These roles often pay between $3,000 to $10,000 plus per month depending on experience. Creative and digital roles. Graphic designer. UI/UX designer. Video editor. Content writer. Copywriter. Social media manager. These are excellent options for creative professionals. Business and operations. Virtual assistant. Customer support. Sales representative. Project manager. Perfect for beginners or non-technical professionals. The key is choosing a skill that matches your strengths. Skills you must have. Now let's talk about what US employers expect. It's not just about technical skills. You must have clear English communication, strong time management, ability to work independently, reliability and consistency, basic knowledge of digital tools. Most communication happens through Slack, Zoom, Google Workspace, project management tools. If you can communicate clearly and deliver on time, you already have a huge advantage. How to create a US-style resume. This is extremely important. Many global applicants get rejected because their resume format is wrong. Here's what US companies prefer. Keep it 1 to 2 pages maximum. Focus on achievements, not responsibilities. For example, instead of saying, managed social media, say, increased engagement by 120% in 3 months. Use simple formatting, avoid heavy graphics. Include professional summary, key skills, work experience, education, certifications. Make your resume results focused. Best platforms to find remote US jobs. Now let's talk about where to apply. Here are the best platforms. Freelance platforms. Upwork. Fiverr. TopTal. Remote job boards. We work remotely. Remote OK. Flex jobs. Remotive. Professional network. LinkedIn jobs. Startup platform. AngelList. Pro tip. Set daily alerts and apply consistently. Consistency beats talent in the long run. How payments work internationally. Now the question everyone asks. How will I get paid? Most U.S. companies use Wise, Payoneer, PayPal, Deal, Direct Bank Transfer. Wise and Payoneer are popular due to lower fees. You typically receive payments in USD then convert to your local currency. Always check transaction fees and exchange rates. Legal and tax basics. Do you need a U.S. visa? If you work remotely from your home country, usually no. Most international professionals are hired as independent contractors. That means you manage your own taxes. You don't receive U.S. employee benefits. You sign a contractor agreement. Some companies may ask you to submit a W-8 form for tax purposes. Consult a tax professional in your country for accurate advice. Time zone management. Working with U.S. companies often requires time overlap. For example, if company is in New York and you're in Asia, you may work evening shifts. Many companies require 3 to 5 hours overlap. Plan your schedule wisely. Step-by-step roadmap for beginners. If you're starting from zero, follow this. Step 1, choose one skill. Step 2, learn it deeply. Step 3, build 3 to 5 portfolio projects. Step 4, start freelancing for small clients. Step 5, collect testimonials. Step 6, apply for remote U.S. roles. Do not try to learn everything. Master one skill first. How to stand out globally. To compete internationally. Build a strong LinkedIn profile. Create a portfolio website. Add testimonials. Be highly responsive. Communicate clearly. Deliver work before deadlines. Professionalism beats geography. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these mistakes. Sending the same resume everywhere. Poor English communication. Ignoring time zones. Overpricing without experience. Falling for scams. Always research the company before accepting an offer. Future of remote work. Remote work is not going away. Companies are increasingly building distributed teams. Skills will matter more than location. And global hiring will continue growing. That means opportunity is expanding, not shrinking. Final thoughts. Working remotely for U.S. companies is one of the most powerful career opportunities available today. You don't need to move abroad. You don't need a visa in most cases. You need skills, consistency, and professionalism. Start small. Stay consistent. Upgrade your skills. And within months, not years, you could be earning in U.S. dollars from anywhere in the world. If you found this guide helpful, like this video. Comment below your country and your skill. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Subscribe for more global career and remote work strategies. And remember, your location should not limit your income. See you in the next video.